welcome back to Learn Sutra. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful and meaningful poster on the topic Say No to Drugs. First, write the title Say No to Drugs in bold letter at the top of the poster. Make the word No larger and darker to grab attention. On the left side, write that in unique way. D. Drugs. E. And. A. All. D. Dreams. Drugs and all dreams. This powerful message reminds us that drugs destroy our dreams and future. Now add a slogan in the middle. Choose life, not drugs. Below it, write these awareness points. Choose life, not drugs. Stay strong, stay drug free. Say no to drugs, say yes to a bright future. Finally, write Public Health Department of Madhya Pradesh at the bottom of the poster. You can also decorate your poster by drawing to make the message more attractive. Remember, drugs may seem like a shortcut to happiness, but they only lead to addiction, poor health. Choose a healthy lifestyle and inspire others to stay drug free. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Learn Sutra. Thanks for watching.